Hello, my name is Brad Stahl, President of Piranha Propellers. I'd like to welcome you to Jackson, California, which is the home of all the manufacturing for the Piranha Propeller. Behind me is the sales and marketing. All of the orders that come into Piranha come in from there and then filter out here into our manufacturing area. And in front of me is the 3 injection molding machines that we do all of our injection molding with. And then we move over to the CNC milling machines for the secondary operations. And then once those secondary operations are done and we do quality control, they move to the spot behind me where all of the final packaging and shipping takes place to points all over the world. We're out here at Lake Comanche, Northern California for Piranha Propeller Test Day. We're out here testing the high reverse thrust propeller that Piranha just developed a few months ago and doing damage testing with the Piranha boat running over a 4x6 at full power and seeing what kind of damage and what kind of damage and how to replace the blades and how it saves the lower unit.
This is our injection molding machine where we do all our blades and our hubs. And what we start out with is a pellet form here. And this is 50% nylon, 50% fiberglass. And each strand of fiberglass is as long as the pellet. And that's what gives our parts our strength. And that dry material then gets fed into a hopper. And this barrel has a screw. That screw rotates and augers the material down and forces it forward in the barrel. The barrel is heated between 550 and 600 degrees. And that plasticizes the material, makes it molten, and that material then gets pushed through the barrel with a hydraulic ram, push that material into the mold, the 2 mold halves hold together, and then the part sits in there for about 1 minute and 20 seconds, and that cools the material. The mold then opens up, and there's a hydraulic ram on the back, and that ejects the part out. This is our mill, Milltronics mill, that we use to post-operate all our hubs and a couple of other parts, caps and things. We use it to run the programs which cut and drill our hubs to the correct design so that they fit each shaft in an individual make. This is our broaching machine, and this is what we use to put splines into our hubs. There's a hydraulic ram setting in pulling motion, and all we do is take this broach, which is specifically and specially designed for each make and each model, and it goes right through the hub, pulls down with the hydraulic at about 2,000 pounds of pressure, and goes right through and cuts those splines out of a solid aluminum circle.